Welcome back, guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this cool rotoscope effect where basically you can add text behind a person or a subject. So the first thing you want to do is go over here, click on your roto brush tool, open up your clip, and you're basically just going to do a quick rotoscope of your subject. So once we've done rotoscoping them out for the first frame, I'm just going to go over here over to our preview tab and just click through our frames. So once after that, I'm going to head over to my composition, and the rotoscope is pretty good. I might just feather it just a bit. Okay, so the next step is we're going to duplicate our clip right here. We're going to head over here to our bottom clip, get rid of our roto brush effect. I'm going to right click, I'm going to open up a text layer, and we have the text layer between both clips, and I'm going to type out Rich Amiri, and then it just depends on the size of your clip, but for me I'm just going to mainly scale out our text right here. Once after I'm done scaling out the text, the first effect I'm going to add onto the actual text is going to be signal. Before I do that, I'm going to change the color to white of our text. I'm going to head over to signal amplification, and I'm going to put it at 6. Then I'm going to head over to cutoff filter. Then I'm going to put it at 23888. I'm bringing it right there. Then I'm going to add VHS long play. The next effect I'm going to add is deep glow. I'm going to put the radius at 186. The next effect I'm adding is mosaic. Then I'm just going to play around with the effects right here. Just want to have it more pixelized. For our last and final effect, in order to tie this up, I'm going to add optics compensation. I'm going to click on reverse lens distort. I'm going to put it at 36.6. And then I'm actually going to bring down our scale a bit. About right there. And before I click off this video, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. That is all I have for you today, and this is what your final effect should look like.